A very, very good morning to all our viewers. India just celebrated its 6th International Yoga Day on the 21st of June. When we talk about yoga, everybody knows that the yogic science originated from India, and yoga talks about the physical being, the mind, body and the soul. Today we shall not talk about the spirituality part of it, but definitely about a person's physical being. India is the second most affected country in the world in terms of diabetic cases, and India also leads in terms of heart diseases. Today amongst us we have a very, very famous and reputed physician. He is a MD MRCP from England. He is a professor and head of department of chest medicine in MGM Medical College. A very, very warm welcome to you, sir, Dr. Nirmal Kumar. आने के लिए सर बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आपका busy schedule से time निकालने के लिए.
Thank you very much for calling.
It is our pleasure to have you here and talking with us.
Thank you very much.
Sir, there are a lot of myths diabetes के लिए या heart ailments के लिए.
Definitely. Yes.
तो कुछ सवाल है जो मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूँगा.
जी पूछें.
सर जैसे मैंने कहा कि इंडिया ranks second in terms of diabetic cases.
जी जी.
So what do you think? आपको क्या लगता है? Is it the Indian lifestyle that we have? Is it the food that we eat? क्या कारण है सर कि इतना diabetic cases इंडिया में आता है?
तो बात ऐसी जैसे आपने कहा कि ये सेकेंड है वर्ल्ड में, और अनफॉर्चुनेटली इंडिया बैड थिंग में टॉप हो जाता है, और बाय 2025 which is going at the top.
Is it?
To become one. So this
So the cases are rapidly rising.
So people need to understand how to prevent it, how to postpone it, and how to control it. Number one, as you said, the diet is very important part. We Indians and Southeast Asian people, they are carbohydrate eaters. In our plates, more than 60%, 70% food is with the cereals and others with the carbohydrate.
So if you can tell carbohydrates, what kind of foods do we get in carbohydrates?
This rice and whatever thing we eat,
Right.
they are the carbohydrates. Whereas in the Western country, the major chunk comes from the protein, fat and carbohydrate plays nearly 30-35%, number one. And the habit is such that people eat like that. So with the carbohydrate diet, what happens, the sudden rise of the blood pressure happens, sudden rise of the sugar happens, sugar level rises, so difficult. And we are genetically prone to develop diabetes.
Okay.
Genetically we are prone. There could be several factors for that, and it has been also seen that the people who originated from India and have settled in abroad, European countries, they continue to have the more diabetes and more complications of diabetes in the form of cardiovascular disorders, stroke. These are the complications of diabetes. So in our part, it's very important to understand how to prevent the diabetes, how to postpone the diabetes, even if it has come, how to control it properly, so that the complications of diabetes in the form of retinopathy, loss of eye, heart attack, loss of kidney. Most of the people with diabetes, if it is not controlled, sugar is not controlled well, they will develop kidney diseases in the future.
Okay.
So this all needs to be corrected with the right time, so that these complications should not happen, and people will be benefited with the proper quality of life. It's very important.
So sir, आप बोल रहे हैं कि it is not only the food, not in the lifestyle, it is an amalgamation of
everything,
and also it depends on an individual genes also.
Yeah, definitely, yes. They all have their contribution, and there are some things those we can control. कुछ तो चीज़ हम कर सकते हैं, या जेनेटिक्स जो प्रोन है उसको तो नहीं पोस्ट कर सकते हैं, लेकिन खाने पीने का लाइफ स्टाइल, सेडेंटरी हैबिट जो हम लोग के यहाँ है, बिल्कुल एक्सरसाइज पे बिल्कुल ध्यान नहीं दिया जा रहा है, ये सारी चीज़ को तो हम लोग कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं, और उसके साथ जो और कॉम्प्लिकेशंस हो सकती है उसको हम लोग रोक सकते हैं.
So there are two things. आपने जैसे बताया कि एक तो याश हम लोग उसको पोस्टपोन कर सकते हैं.
जी हाँ.
और आपने बोला एक तो इस डायबिटीज क्या ये ठीक हो सकती है बीमारी जो है?
बात ऐसी है कि डायबिटीज का जब डायग्नोसिस होती है उसके नियरली 7 years बिफोर दैट पेशेंट हैज ऑलरेडी लॉस ऑफ फंक्शन ऑफ बीटा सेल्स जो कि इंसुलिन 50% ऑफ बीटा सेल जो कि इंसुलिन प्रोड्यूस करता है इज ऑलरेडी लॉस्ट।
सो आप बोल रहे हैं कि वंस जब डायग्नोज होता है उसके 7 साल पहले ही
उसका 50% ऑफ द बीटा सेल्स ऑलमोस्ट खत्म हो चुका होता है।
Okay.
So we are all trying to catch those people at that time so that we can avert, we can postpone at least, and the things are going on well with this.
So, but sir, आप जब बोलते हैं कि we are trying to catch it, so what is the process? How do I know कि भाई मुझे है और मुझे 7 साल पहले ही दिखाना
कुछ ऐसी फैक्टर है जिसको आप जान सकते हैं, जैसे लाइफ स्टाइल अगर सेडेंटरी है तो आप उसको पहले से
ठीक कर दीजिए।
नंबर 1। अगर ओबेसिटी है तो उसको मोटापा को कंट्रोल कीजिए। फैमिली में हिस्ट्री है, अगर फादर मदर दोनों डायबिटीज है, there are 40% chances their children will develop diabetes। तो वो ओबेसिटी है तो उनको ध्यान देना शुरू से है कि भाई मेरे माता पिता को बीमारी थी, ओबेसिटी थी या और कोई बीमारी थी, तो हमको आइडियल वेट जो होना चाहिए है ना, जिसको कहते हैं BMI बॉडी मास इंडेक्स, उसको मेंटेन करने, उसको लाने के लिए प्रयास करते रहना चाहिए। तो क्या होगा कि जो डायबिटीज जो डेवलप करने जा रहे हैं रिसेंट टाइम्स में, दैट विल पोस्टपोन बाय मेनी इयर्स, इवन डिकेड्स।
ओके ओके।
सो ये बहुत ज़रूरी है कि उसको बात को समझने, और कुछ अदर फैक्टर्स जो कि अगर डायबिटीज हो भी जाता है तो उसका अलग कंट्रीब्यूशन, सिगरेट स्मोकिंग हुआ, और तरह चीज़ें होती हैं जो कि हार्मफुल होती है, एक्सेसिव अल्कोहल यूज, दिस ऑल नीड्स टू बी करेक्टेड बिकॉज अल्कोहल आल्सो कैरीज कैलोरीज।
राइट राइट।
सो दिस ऑल थिंग्स नीड्स टू बी करेक्टेड।
So what you are saying is कि अगर if you take the correct measures, if you maintain your lifestyle, then these things can be postponed.
Postponed, yes, definitely postponed. And nobody knows in the future people will be able to avert it completely.
Correct.
Nobody knows why research are going so fast because whole world is affected.
Right. So there are some myths regarding diabetes.
Yeah.
ऐसा है कि डायबिटीज अगर किसी को है
जी,
तो दे आर मोर प्रोन टू गेटिंग इन्फेक्टेड बाय वायरसेस और गेटिंग मोर प्रोन टू फॉलिंग इल।
ये इसे मिथ नहीं बोलेंगे, ये एक्चुअली है। इसे एक्चुअली इसलिए है कि इसमें डायबिटीज में या कोई भी क्रोनिक डिजीज में बॉडी का जो इम्यूनिटी सिस्टम है टू फाइट अगेंस्ट द डिजीज इज डिक्रीज, कम हो जाती है।
ओके।
नंबर 1, अगर इम्यूनिटी कम होगी तो जो बैक्टीरिया है, वायरस है, जो भी चीज़ें हैं जो कि यूजुअली बॉडी उसको टैकल कर लिया था, तो बॉडी उतने अच्छे से टैकल नहीं कर पाएगा।
राइट।
सो दे आर मोर लाइकली टू डेवलप इन्फेक्शन, नंबर 1। और अगर इन्फेक्शन हो जाती है, पर्टिकुलर बैक्टीरियल इन्फेक्शन अदर्स, it will it's not will increase gradually, it will go very fast.
अच्छा।
It will not give much time to people to just correct it. So it is very important that number 1, and number 2, if the patient develops infection, the diabetes becomes uncontrolled.
Okay.
There is another thing. So it's very important that immunity of the body system must be good. Number 1, diabetes itself is one of the diseases that decreases the immunity. And number 3 is the control should be very good one, or even if it is uncontrolled or any infection happens, the proper and timely treatment will help.
Definitely help.
Definitely, yes.
So the kind of situation that we've been seeing, अभी पिछले March onwards हम लोग देख रहे हैं, the entire world is affected by corona. So what you're trying to say is a diabetic patient is more prone to get infected.
Yes.
He or she should be very careful.
Very careful. In context of this, till now we don't have very conclusive evidence that what this corona is going to do. But one thing is sure, if the person is diabetic and uncontrolled, the corona will produce more serious problems.
Sure.
That much is sure. But whether this corona will cause the diabetes or not, that is the matter of future.
Okay.
Nobody knows about it. Till now it's not.
Right. So should a normal person, if a person is exercising, maintaining a physical, very good lifestyle, but बहुत बार हम देखते हैं कि a very healthy person suddenly gets a heart stroke आ जाता है, or they get some ailments अचानक ही हो जाता है. One, sir, what is the main cause of that? And should a normal person who does not have diabetes, BP, कुछ नहीं है, या अपने आप को जो चेक नहीं कराता है, should a normal person also be getting checked on a periodic interval?
Definitely, I would recommend. My principle is that anybody with the age of 40 years, I try to just know the whole system of the body as regards his thyroid, blood sugar, kidney function, liver function, cholesterol. These all things, they do not produce symptoms. So people, what they think, oh, कभी जांच हुई नहीं है, मुझे कुछ है ही नहीं, तो जांच क्यों कराएं? ये बात नहीं है. At the age of 40 years, because what I would say, at the age of 25 to 30 years, most of the jobs people go in the government jobs, their medical test is done.
Yeah.
And at that time, I have seen at nearly 5 to 10% people, they are rejected. They did not know that they had diabetes, they had very high blood pressure, these things. So people should go to doctor or their physician and try to get themselves seen, and common investigation. I don't say that the complicated and very cumbersome investigations are simple. Blood sugar, cholesterol, and blood pressure. These are very common thing. Anywhere it could be done. Even if somebody is interested, can have the ECG. Sometimes people may have some sort of intraconduction block, and suddenly people gets okay ये कहाँ से आ गया, तो उस चीज़ को पहले से जानते रहते हैं. Once the people are aware कि हमको ये चीज़ें हैं, they will take more care.
Of course,
And once at the age of 40s, everything is okay, then every 3 to 5 years the things will be repeated, and blood pressure will be checked every year or every 2 years.
So what should be the interval? कि जैसे मुझे कुछ नहीं है और मैं चाहता हूँ कि भी मेरा एक periodically test हो. So should it be quarterly? Should it be 6 monthly? What do you advise?
What I would say that if I have some factor like father or mother is diabetic, I would say that even 6 monthly interval for sugar is very good. But if there is no family history of any disease, diabetes, hypertension or any sort of this, in that case even 1 year interval will be quite sufficient, even 2 years, depends on.
Right. Okay. So lately we've seen, a lot of everybody has a lot of access to internet. आपको जो information चाहिए सब मिल जाती है.
जी.
And मुझे अगर सर दुख रहा है मैं वहाँ जाऊँगा कि भाई सर दुखने की medicine. So Google will give me 10,000 medicine का नाम.
जी.
And especially in India, a lot of these medicines are available over the counter.
Yes, definitely. Yes.
So simple ailments, now simple because I think it's simple. अगर headache है, पेट दुख रहा है, हाथ दुख रहा है, so is it advisable that I should just go to a pharmacy and buy medicine over the top and take it? Or how serious is this matter?
देखिए सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट बात यह है कि most of the time you cannot get a good information from Google because they will enumerate the numerous conditions and that will create problem in his mind.
Right.
But because the worst thing will come first, and in a medical practice, rare diagnosis is rarely correct. We follow that symptoms. A headache can happen in brain tumor also, and simply people are getting headache every day.
Every day, correct.
Every day. So one has to think in what context it has come. Somebody is stressed, it has sleep, some sort of making journey. Sometimes get simple headache is okay. Simple viral infection for a day or two is okay. There is no problem with that. But if the symptoms are persisting and accompanied with other symptoms, in that case I would definitely say to go to a doctor or physician to get the proper diagnosis and proper treatment.
So in these 4-5 months that we've seen, and the entire world was in a lockdown,
Yes.
You also had a lot of patients coming.
Yes.
Did you feel that your patients were acting responsibly and sensibly? Were they following the proper sanitization process?
What I would say is the percentage differs, and some people who are so sensitive, when coming to the clinic, they brought their sanitizer and they go to the clinic. And there are many people who have just walked into the clinic without any mask.
Okay.
So the things were different. But what I have seen that in due course, people have learned, and the percentage of people being aware
Right.
and following the norms, particularly these days, social distancing, wearing a mask, cleaning hands with the soap, using the sanitizers, these have been improved, increased.
Right.
Definitely. But the few people are there very careless. They need to be, somehow or other made to think that it is good for them. So they have to follow that one.
People still need to be a little
Yeah,
careful.
definitely.
Because we are seeing a rise in case. Yesterday only we had about 19,000 cases, which is the highest.
Nearly 19,000 more. It's horrible with that. So and most of the 80% of the people don't know that they are suffering from this corona infection. 80%. So they don't know themselves. So they are roaming in the society and family, and they are spreading.
Right.
And they may not suffer anything. But the person who gets infection from these people may have a serious complication. So they have to understand what I would say, think everybody is infectious, so take care of yourself. अपने को बचाइए आप. अपने को बचाने में दूसरे भी बचेंगे.
सही बात है. So I think when I was speaking to you, Abhi, you said that you consult a lot of people over the phone also.
Yeah.
So, like even in our businesses, when we were in lockdown, we were actually discussing कि भाई post lockdown how will businesses be?
Yes.
We are trying to go online.
Right, yeah.
All businesses are trying to go online.
Yes.
So what do you think of medical science? ऐसा कभी आएगा कि भाई किसी को आपके पास आने की जरूरत ही नहीं होगी और ऑनलाइन ही सब चीज हो जाएगा? Maybe on a computer or on a phone call.
I understand. The time is changing. There is also telemedicine these days, and this is with all permission with the law is coming up. There are certain limitations because medical science sometimes do differ and do change every time.
Okay.
And the direct interaction of physical, appearance is great. And
It is very important.
Very important, very important. Because once the patient comes, how he greets, how he looks, how he sees, everything is how he's walking, and so you know a lot of things.
Right.
And on many diseases, just you can have a look on the face, and other person, you have this sort of this skin disease, you have, drooping of the eyelids due to some other regions, you have paralysis because when you are speaking, your face is pulled on that side. So a lot of things you know by that. So ultimately, it will not replace, but definitely it will have more and more contribution.
It will definitely have more contribution.
More and more contribution. And particularly these days with this video conferencing, that will be also helpful. Because you are also, at that time, you are having a direct look at the patient.
Yeah.
So that will be also helpful. So one has to be very careful because many times patients do not understand what information to be given, what's not given, what is important. So it will take time with the.
But it is there to stay.
It is there to stay, and it will gradually increase also
It will definitely
depending
increase.
upon the different situations.
Okay. Dr. Saab, enough of, I think we've had a lot of medical talk. Now we'll have a little bit of fun.
Yeah, right.
We've made a list of some rapid fire questions.
My God.
And मैं आपको जो पूछूं, आपको जो पहले दिमाग में है उसको बोल दीजिए, सोचना नहीं है. ठीक है? Besides seeing patient when all of us were locked down, लॉकडाउन में आपने एक चीज ऐसा क्या किया जो आपको लगा कि भाई हाँ मुझे बहुत मजा आया? Besides seeing patients.
घर में थोड़ा सा किचन में जो है ना वाइफ को हेल्प किया.
You like cooking?
Not cooking, just
helping.
Helping. Yes.
Okay, that's great. आप जब स्कूल में थे, school or college,
Yeah.
which was your weakest subject, or you hated that subject?
Mathematics was weak.
One shop in Jamshedpur which you visit the most?
Reliance.
Reliance? The food wala?
Food, yes.
Okay. Your favorite Bollywood actress?
Rekha.
Rekha. Evergreen. On a Sunday or whenever you're free, आपकी favorite hobby क्या है? What do you like doing?
क्लिनिक की सफाई करना.
अच्छा मतलब फ्री टाइम में भी क्लिनिक में
सफाई करना जितना गंदा होता है.
चलो ग्रेट सर रियल लाइफ रोल मॉडल अगर किसी को आप रिस्पेक्ट करते हैं, रियल लाइफ रोल मॉडल कौन है आपका?
Actually, I follow Mother Teresa.
ओके ग्रेट. अगर आप डॉक्टर नहीं होते तो क्या होते?
मुझे नहीं पता क्या होता.
मतलब-
But that was the only thing I
That
knew.
was-
I'm lucky that I became doctor. My father was doctor. I am doctor. My daughter is doctor. So I think.
So बचपन से वही था कि डॉक्टर ही बनना है.
But I don't know. But from father, I think that has come.
You got it from your father.
And my daughter had the same thing.
Okay.
She also, I think, thinking of me and became doctor.
So I think that's a great thing to have, that अगर focus रहे
Mm.
तो वो definitely helps.
Yes, definitely. Yes.
Sir, last one advice that you would, there are a lot of these aspiring doctors or people who are studying medicine to become doctors. The most important advice that you would like to give them?
Give time to the patient, listen to the patient, address to the patient,
Okay.
act according to that. Giving it time is very, so ultimately good communication. There should not be any discontinuation or any breach.
Give time to the patient.
Definitely. Patient will teach a lot of things.
Okay.
There are a lot of things. They will divulge a lot of information.
Right. Thank you very much, Dr. Saab. It was a pleasure having you here.
Thank you very much for calling me here, and I enjoyed this.
Thank you very much, and Doctors Day के लिए आपको बहुत बहुत best wishes,
Thank you very much.
and आगे best wishes for the coming year.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you.